What's going on, guys? Today we're inside a very, very cool abandoned strip club.
I'm so happy we finally got into this place. I can't wait to show you guys what this video is all about.
Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to it. This must have been like a condom machine. Had to have been. Is that condoms? Let's see. Nothing in there, guys. Dancers only. Here we go. It's the dancer's room, guys. We have Destiny's locker here. Let's see if you know. Can't even open it. Something in this one. Oh, her sweat rag. Even something like all the old outfits. Look at that. Even the old outfits. That's pretty crazy. Look at this, you guys. It's all their old bling. Stripper drawers and bandanas and the stripper shoe. Extreme danger. Do not enter. Wow, there's the safe, you guys. We have blueprints. Untouched in here, guys. Everything is left behind. Absolutely everything. Look at this. The safe is even open. It's not that often that you find an open safe, guys. There's another one over here. Wow. That one's locked up, guys. Blueprints. This is pretty cool. The original blueprints for this place. That is really cool. Look at the red lights on in here. They have red lights everywhere in this place. They got a free buffet here Fridays. All you can eat. Whoa, look at this private little area. Wow. Look at that, there's still hand marks on the wall. Wow. It's a private booth. There's the stage. Let's go upstairs. Let's check out the dance floor. Let's do this. Bet you a lot of strippers did the little thing up on this thing. 2 poles. pretty cool. This place is really cool. I can't believe that they had 2 stripper poles. 2 strippers. I wonder what's behind the bar. Guess that's part of the fridge in there. Must have been when they kept all the beers. Pretty cool, guys. This is a pretty cool find.
Yeah.
All the old draft taps.
Somebody already took the other one.
Yeah.
This one.
Someone took the top.
That's the old school one right here.
Yeah.
See, it says don't
Yeah,
use.
just don't use. You better not use that one.
Yeah. Hey, grab those keys right there just in case.
Which ones?
These ones, all this whole set. Orange one. So, let's go this way.
It's a pretty big beer fridge, though, you must say. You know? Must have been where all the kegs were stored. Right? More keys. Keys, everything's left here. Oh, that's the kitchen. This place is absolutely disgusting. Like, that is a dirty place. Oh no, you guys, a glove. Got it, guys. There it is. I found my glove at the bar. It was a boobies bar. Boost. Come for your lap dance. Andrew, I dare you to sit on one of these chairs. Come on, man, just do it.
There's somebody standing on it.
It's alright, man.
There's somebody standing on it.
Alright, you guys know what? You guys give us at least 1,000 likes. Just 1,000. And
We'll sit on the chair.
No.
Yeah.
We will come back. Andrew will sit on the chair.
Yeah, okay.
That's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. Alright, guys. I'm pretty cold. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next. Peace.